Hello, dear students. Hope you all are good and doing well at your home. This is your subject teacher of computer from LPM Public School, which is situated in Kola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So, my dear students, today in this video we are going to revise exercise of chapter number first, that is computer a smart machine. And even in this video I will tell you that in your periodic assessment term 2 you can find questions easily like that. So my dear student, firstly we are going to start chapter number 1. So my dear students, as you know very well, we are going to start chapter number first, that is computer a smart machine. And I have already explained you chapter number first in your class. As you know, the first topic from your chapter number first is that differences between humans and computers. What is the name of the first topic from your chapter? The first topic from your chapter is that differences between humans and computers. So my dear children, as you know, there are a lot of differences between computer and human. As you know, a computer never gets tired, but a human gets tired and needs rest. And the second difference between humans and computers is that a computer works very fast, but a human cannot work as fast as a computer. So, my dear students, as you know, there are a lot of important topics from your chapter number first. I will explain you after some time. So firstly, now we are going to discuss about the exercise of chapter number first. As you know very well, that is take the correct answer. So my dear student, in your periodic assessment, as you can see, the first question is that take the correct answer. So you can find easily that the pattern of these questions in your periodic assessment, A, take the correct answer. As you know, we are going to discuss the exercise of chapter number first, which is related computer a smart machine. Why do banks use computer? So my dear student, as you know very well, I have already explained you to keep details of customers and their bank account. So that's why banks uses computer to keep details of customers and their bank accounts. Now, question number second from the take the correct answer, where are computers used to prepare medical report? The question is that where are computers used to prepare medical reports? Option number A is that mall, option number B is hospital, and option number C is home. So my dear students, as you know very well, in hospital, to maintain details of patients, to do medical tests and operations, to prepare medical reports, that's why computer used to prepare medical reports in hospital. So that's why you can say option number B, hospital, is the correct answer for this questions. And you know what is the spelling of hospital? The spelling of hospital is that HOSPITAL. Next, question number third is that which of the following type of computers is biggest in size? The question is that which of the following type of computers is biggest in size? So my dear student, option number A is a smartphone, option number B is desktop, and option number C is that laptop. So you have already learned about desktop computers. So my dear student, from your chapter, as you know very well, desktop computers are big in size. These computers are kept on a desk. They cannot be easily carried from one place to another. So, you know very well, desktop computer is biggest in size. Do you know what is the spelling of desktop? The spelling of desktop is that DESKTOP. Now, the next question from your Chapter number first is that number 4, which of the following is the quality of computers? What is that the question? Question number 4 is that which of the following is the quality of computers? So as you can see, option number A is that have feelings and emotions, and option number B is that never gets tired, and option number C is that can take decisions on its own. So my dear students, as you know very well, there are a lot of quality of for the computers, like computer is a smart machine and a computer is an electronic machine. Computer can store a lot of information and a computer can do anything because it is machine. So now we are going to about discuss questions. Firstly, we are going to discuss about this questions, and the questions is that which of the following is a quality of computers? So, my dear student, as you know very well, a computer never gets tired, but a human gets tired and needs rest. So, that's why you can say option number B, never gets tired, is the correct answer for this question. So, my dear student, now we are going to discuss about the next question from the exercise of chapter number 1 is that fill in the blanks. Now we are going to discuss about fill in the blanks. As you can see, there are given a lot of options like desktop, computers, malls and airports. So first question is that computers are used in dash to book and cancel tickets. What is that question? Computers are used in dash to book and cancel tickets. So from your chapter you have already learned about that what is the uses of computer at airports and railway stations. So you have already learned about that. Point number first is that from your chapter number first, to book and cancel tickets, to keep details of passengers, to update the arrival and departure timing. So my dear student, as you can see, airports is the suitable option for this question. Computers are used in airports to book and cancel tickets. So my dear children, do you know that what is the spelling of airports? Anyone? The spelling of airports is that AIRPORTS. Now, next we are going to discuss about question number 2. In dash, computers are used to print the bills. So, can you tell me, anyone, what is the uses of computer in malls? In malls, computers are used to print the bills. And do you know what is the spelling of malls? The spelling of malls is that MALLS. Now we are going to discuss about question number 3 is that laptop computers are smaller than desk computer. Laptop computers are smaller than desktop computer. So that desktop is the suitable option for this blank. And do you know what is the spelling of desktop? The spelling of desktop is that DESKTOP. Now we are going to discuss about question number 4 is that a dash never forgets anything stored in it. So as you know, there are a lot of quality about computer, like a computer can store a lot of information, a computer never gets tired, a computer have not any type of feelings and emotions. That's why computer is the suitable option for this question, and the spelling of computer is that COMPUTER. So my dear students, I hope you will revise this all questions which is related from the chapter number 1 for your periodic assessment term 2. So now next question from your exercise is that question number C, write T for true and F for false. Write T for true and F for false. So question number first is that PC stands for playing computer. So this statement is false because PC stands for personal computer, not playing computer. So you can fill F for this statement. Now next, second, a computer is used to play games. So my dear students, as you know very well, there are a lot of uses about computer, like a computer to do calculation, to play music, to store music and all. Like there are a lot of uses about a computer. So that's why this statement is true. You can fill TRUE. Now next, a smartphone is bigger than a laptop. So my dear students, as you know very well, a smartphone is smaller than a laptop. So that's why this statement is false. You can fill F for this statement. Now next, question number 4. A computer is a smart machine. So my dear student, as you know very well, a computer is a smart machine, and that's why you can fill T for this statement because it is true. So now next question from your exercise of chapter number 1 is that question number D, answer the following question. So as you can see, the first question from your chapter is that list the things that you can do using a computer. List the things that you can do using a computer. So now it's turn to discuss about answer. To do calculations, to teach and learn, to play and games. So my dear students, as you know very well, there are a lot of uses of computer, like to do calculation, to teach and learn, to play games, to book and cancel tickets at airport and railway stations. So now we are going to discuss about question number 2 from your chapter is that write any two differences between a human and computer. So as you know, there are a lot of differences between a human and a computer. Like first difference is that a computer never makes mistake but a human can make mistakes. बेटा आपको अच्छे से पता है और आपने क्लास में भी ये चीज़ डिस्कस की हुई है कि कंप्यूटर और ह्यूमन के बीच में बहुत सारे अंतर होते हैं, बहुत सारे डिफरेंसेस होते हैं। जैसे कि हम सारे ह्यूमन हैं, हमारे अंदर फीलिंग्स होते हैं, हमारे अंदर इमोशंस होते हैं। वी कैन फील द वेदर एंड द सीज़न एंड ऑल, एंड कंप्यूटर कैन नॉट फील वेदर सीज़न एंड ऑल। बेटा जैसे आपको अच्छे से पता है कि लाइक हम वेदर को, मौसम को एंड ऑल इन सारी चीज़ों को महसूस कर सकते हैं, लेकिन कंप्यूटर नहीं कर सकता है। So a computer never make mistakes but a human can make mistake. And the second difference about computer and human is that a computer can store a lot of information but a human can store limited information. जैसा कि आपको पता है कंप्यूटर जो है वो बहुत सारी सूचनाओं को एकत्रित कर सकता है, लेकिन जो ह्यूमन है बेटा वो लाइक अलिमिटेड एक मात्रा तक की चीज़ों को एकत्रित कर सकता है। सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 which is related from your chapter is that names any 4 places where computers are used. Answer is that airports, malls, hospital and railway stations. So my dear student, I hope you will revise the exercise of chapter number 1 for your periodic assessment term 2, and you will preparation for your all subjects in a very well way for your periodic assessment term 2.